Central Daylight Time.
It's a
At
Birmingham one.
11:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Redburn or 13 miles east of Heflin, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Redburn, Abernathy, Trickham, Lake Cleveland, and I-20 Welcome Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Cleburne, Alabama. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of west central Fayette, southeastern Carroll, Coletta, and southwestern